Hello everyone, today we'll cover a great alternative to one of the slowest features in Windows, the search option. So if you find the search option in Windows too slow, you can use a great free alternative to get instant results and find any file or folder in your computer. And the tool is a great free tool to search your files and folders and get instant results. You can try the portable version of this tool without installation on your computer. So to try it, you can click on download portable. Now if you were searching for a software in your computer, or if you were searching for an option or a feature in Windows from the settings menu or the control panel, you will get instant results. But for everything else, you have to wait for a while to get any results at all. Fun fact is that a search I did on Windows XP 15 years ago was just finished right now, and I got a notification on Windows on my Microsoft account that the search was finished and there were no relevant files in my file explorer. But if your time is too valuable to wait, you can use a great tool to get instant results for any file or folder in your computer. You can type and search for any file and get instant results, which makes it one of the most useful features and tools for Windows users. This is a simple and lightweight tool to search your Windows operating system. You can change the view option of the files, and you can specify the file type. For example, if you're trying to search for audio files, compressed files, documents, folders, or pictures or videos, and there are more options to filter the search results and to get exactly what you want and search for the exact file or folder in your computer. And if you right click on any file or folder, you can open the path, copy the full name of the file or folder, send to a different location, and delete the file from your computer if you want. But for more options to customize this tool, you can click on options. You will find more settings and customization options. But personally, I simply pin this tool to my taskbar and use it to search for any file or folder in my computer. Compared to the default search option in Windows, this is a great tool and you can use it completely free. Try the portable version. Hopefully you will find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye.